Hello you beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have some little assistants today. They are
Aria,
also known as
Ari, Fishy,
and
Mika,
also known as
Tizzy.
And this is Ari's first video in her new glasses, isn't it? Do you want to show everybody your new glasses? What's on the side of them?
Elsa.
Elsa is on the side of Ari's glasses. So today we have a very exciting box. It's the girl's favourite box that I get in the whole world, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what is it?
Babacorn bricks.
It is Babacorn bricks. Now, Babacorn bricks, if you don't know, is a monthly Lego subscription box. This is sent to us for free to review, and we are so thankful, aren't we? And we're very lucky girls to get sent this. What do we say?
Thank you.
Thank you for sending it to us. And yeah, so I have a discount code which I'll put down below. I'll leave all the links. If you have anyone in your life, like these two little ones, who love Lego, then it's amazing. It's so good. Who loves Lego the most? How much Lego did you get for your birthday?
A lot.
She got a lot of Lego.
There's some over there.
She is obsessed with Lego, and she's got all of Daddy's old Lego from when Daddy was little, and she's just amazing at building, and you're getting into it as well, aren't you?
Yeah.
You like the little people, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it always comes like this. I'm just hiding our address on the front, but it always comes like this, and it says to fish and cheese on the front. So it's a box in a box. So it says, welcome to your Babacorn Bricks monthly subscription. Everything is hand wrapped. It is a family run company, and the story behind the company is so touching and sweet and just amazing, and I cannot recommend them enough. I don't like to do videos on my channel unless it is a product that I think is good, and I think this is amazing. I think it's so good. I apologise if you can hear our chickens in the garden. They've recently found their voices and they are quite noisy, aren't they?
Yeah.
What noise do they make? They don't even sound like chickens most of the time, do they? They just sound like weird aliens.
Turkeys, big turkeys.
So this is the box. It says, somebody loves you, Babacorn bricks. Babacornbricks.com, your monthly brick fix direct to your door. So it's always beautifully decorated. There's all their socials there, if you want to screenshot that or whatever. I will link all these down below as well. Compostable, biodegradable, multiple use. We love that. So let's get in. So it's out of this world this month. It has a theme every month, so that's like space. So it comes like this. As I said, everything is hand wrapped, and it says September 2021 theme is out of this world, and it tells you everything you've got and how much it's worth. You always get one Lego item specifically chosen for your child or whoever the box is for. Yeah, and it's awesome. We've had sweeties before, haven't we? And chocolate and stickers.
Yeah.
And so much cool
and Lego
stuff.
Friends stuff.
And Lego Friends stuff. So let's have a look. So this is what the box looks like.
What's on
The
there?
first thing we've got here is, I think this is neon space accessories. So this is all little different bits of Lego for like building spaceships and stuff, and it's all really cool colours. And we have got the Babacorn Bricks Buddies book, and this every month has got like a word search. We've just seen a Lego Friends. Right.
Slow.
So this is, it says fish and cheese. This is their special item, and it is Lego Friends. And I think it's got a turtle in it. And who loves turtles?
And I love Lego Friends.
So you guys can start opening that one. Mummy has a little look at this. So yeah, we get the book every month, which has got the little word search in. And then it's got like an Among Us building challenge. Down at the mini market, you've got all the photos of children who love their boxes.
And then me.
Meek has been in it before, which she's very excited about. I nearly bought this for Ben, but everyone is awesome Lego. Look, I thought that was so cool.
What's so cool?
Look at this Lego statue that you can buy. How cool is that? So pretty. There's a competition. And it says, happy September. At last we're entering into our favourite part of the year. The dark nights the nights get darker, the days get colder, and it won't be long until Christmas. Remember our competition this month, which was carried over from August? We want you to design the next box cover. Do you think you could do that?
Yeah.
The winning design will be printed and will feature on our website. Please find all the details on page 14 of here and get your entry in by the 5th of October. So that's that. So they have got a little Lego Friends turtle thing. They will build that right now. Have you got the instructions?
Oh no, it didn't come with it, but I do it.
You can just do it.
Yeah.
They're just going to build that while I'm looking in here. So next I've got a little mini bag thing. Let's have a little look at this. I've just lost them now because they found a turtle. Look, Ari. Do you want to undo this, Aria?
I want it.
Okay, Aria's found another little bag that she's going to undo.
I keep these bags.
You do keep these bags. Ari likes to keep all the little bags. And I think that everything is hand wrapped in tissue, and it's just lovely. Oh, so you get lots and lots of little figures. I'm just going to build this one. Oh, her head fell off. And we've got a sticker. Sticker there. So you get lots of different figures every month, so you can like play with your Lego. Oh, this one's got a little stick she's holding, a little space stick. It's very difficult for me to build them because I've got stupidly long nails at the moment. They're all overgrown. So this is the first little lady we've got, or person. That's the first one. Look at her. Or him. No, I think it is a lady. That's that one. Got another little bag. We will show you everything as it is built at the end. You've got little diamonds and stickies and little finishing touches like this. It's just amazing. Like, I love them. Yup. Where is your head? Oh, this one's an alien.
Alien.
This one's an alien head.
Ooh.
I told you it was cool.
Can you say something for me to unlock?
Yeah, and then we've got this little alien dude. Look at his face. Creepy. Some more little stickers. What are you? I think we've got a Lego, teeny tiny Lego lightsaber. I think, oh my god, Daddy's going to poop his pants when he sees this. Look. Do you know what a lightsaber is?
No.
It's from one of them programs that Daddy watches, one of the nerd programs. And you plug this in, look, it's a little USB one, and then it's like a little tiny lightsaber. That's super cute. Oh, no one likes these, do they? Aria, you don't like these, do you? So we got some chocolate. A limited edition Lego City. These two have just started to play Lego City and they absolutely love it, don't you?
Lego City.
So they're doing some building. I won't do this one now. Look at this guy. He's super cool. Ari's just built him on her own. Well done, Ari.
Yes, this bit.
What's that bit? Oh, that's a little like road worker bit. That's cool. And we've got a little Star Wars thing. I should be telling you all about these. Look at this. It's a little Among Us custom figure. A little
What
cute.
is that?
It's an alien. A little cute figure there. So you get a fantastic custom LED lightsaber for your displays. You get a custom figure worth £2. The lightsaber's $8.95. The neon pieces are $3.95. The Lego Friends bit that they've got with the turtle is between £3 and £6. The space bag is $4.95. The Star Wars collection is £1.50. 5 Lego minifigures guaranteed. And then your monthly Babacorn bricks. Little what do you want to call it? Book. I've got brain farts then. So we've got BB-8. We've got a little BB-8 Star Wars doodad. I don't know if that's the right way. Oh, I don't know what he is. He's something from Star Wars. Daddy will know what he is. And then we've got one little bag left for Mika to open in a second. I'm going to put that one in here. Mika will build this later and I will put in a picture at the end of everything all laid out and built to show you exactly what is in the box. Cheeseburger, do you want to undo this one, baby? Because this is the last one because Ari's rinsed them. Okay, babe?
Then I have to really make it.
You can make it in a minute, that's fine. I'm going to put everything in the little box, and then I'll put a picture in at the end of everything all together to show exactly what we got in our box this month. Somebody's head is here. Whose head's rolled off? No, that's an old Lego head because he's got no face. There's Lego everywhere in my house. Everywhere. Who you got there, Ari?
Little.
Ah, is that what you just got? Super cute. I love that. Look, Ari. Ari's got a little one here with an umbrella. Ooh, just dropped him. And then Mika's just going to build her one. So what did you think of the box, girls?
Good.
You loved it?
Yeah.
What do you say to Babacorn Bricks for sending it to you again?
Thank you.
Where are we filming today?
In our new playroom.
In the girls' new playroom. Boom. It's not really a new room. It used to be Ari's bedroom, didn't it? And then we decided that Mika and Aria would share a bedroom and get bunk beds. And then this is now a playroom, so they can have all their Lego out and make little villages because they like to do that a lot. But yeah, what do you say at the end of the video? Say thank you. What should people do? Subscribe, yeah. What else, Ari?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up the video. And you say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Ari says thanks for watching. She's there. They're at. I can't make my camera look at the floor. They're building. But yeah, that was Babacorn Bricks for September. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, thank you so much for sending it to the girls. They love it so much. When it arrived, they were like, it came like 2 days ago, and they've been crazing me for the last 2 days to do it. And we're now about to have our dinner, and I said, no, we'll do this first. And they're very happy pandas now. I'll put the picture in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.